Good morning. Here are the Sanibel Island and Southwest Florida update as of March 9th, 2023. For the Sanibel Tuesday's elections, I have not seen a formal announcement on who won the 2 council spots yet. But I did check out Holly D. Smith's Facebook page, and she posted yesterday, "I am incredibly honored to be able to continue to serve Sanibel for the next 4 years. Thank you. Together we succeed. With much gratitude, Holly," end quote. And then after I wrote this update, a news channel did post that both Holly and Richard Johnson were re-elected. So yes, congrats to both. I kept checking the official City of Sanibel page for the election announcement, and it hasn't been posted there yet. You know I love Sanibel, but whoever manages their website has been slacking lately. Stats from the election are: the preliminary election results show Smith and Johnson earned a combined 79% of the 4,342 total votes counted. Contenders Jude Sinowski and Troy Cobb Thompson earned 11% and 10% respectively. Periwinkle Park and Campground announced that their closest beach access point is open. Narita Beach is a 5-minute bike ride from Periwinkle Park. There is no public parking at that access point, just a few street spots for parking permits A and B. South Seas posted another resort update today titled "The Next Chapter Begins." That is the same title they used last week. I may not be a marketing major, but honestly, titling every update "The Next Chapter Begins" is a bit confusing. Why not say, hey, here is Chapter 2? Anyway, back to their ad. It says, exclusive to South Seas Island Resort and guests and Club Captiva members, Captiva Landing is our new amenity complex located at the southern end of our resort, adjacent to South Seas Village, and will feature Gulfstream, which is a lazy river, Camp Tiva, which is a kids' activity club, Bottlenose Bay, which is the water park I mentioned a couple of updates ago, the Cove, which is a huge oasis-style pool, Flippers, an arcade and casual restaurant, and Bayside Marina, which is just an improved marina for water-related sports like fishing, tours, etc. South Seas also provided a picture of what the area will look like. To me, it still reminds me of a smaller version of Disney's Typhoon Lagoon or Universal's Volcano Bay. Just my thoughts. The resort did mention that this is only for guests staying at the hotel or Club Captiva members. If you're not familiar with Club Captiva, it is a private club consisting mainly of boat owners who can dock at the marina and have access to the resort. I think there's around 500 members. Which all sounds good, because South Seas is basically saying they are not opening it to the public, for now. Eventually, when they see numbers are down, they will start offering day passes for non-resorts guests, and then here comes the crazy crowds. That's just my prediction. They're saying they're not going to do that, but based on history, I have seen many vacation spots do this. Act like it's all private, but then when they need more money, they offer day passes. That's just my opinion, and thanks for listening.